Hey, this is how to replace your glass screen on an S4, Samsung Galaxy S4. So what you'll need is a screen, a new glass screen, your old phone. It's good to have a hair dryer, but even better, it's a heat gun, a couple of cards, just plastic or paper cards, some sort of plastic squeegee or something, and an X-Acto knife or a scalpel. Okay, so what we're gonna want to do is heat the screen, not too much, just so it's pretty hot to touch. When it's too hot to touch, then you've gone too far. You could damage your screen. Go slowly, start at the top and work your way down, and remember there are a couple of capacitive buttons down here that you'll want to take care of at the end. Okay, so let's begin. Take your X-Acto knife, start lifting the screen. As you can see here, the glue is starting to peel off your display, so just go slowly and hit it up again. When you get to a break, just use your X-Acto knife, lift it up a little bit so you can get your card in there. Just go slow. And remember to always take your battery off. Be careful around the shards. If you can't lift them up with the card, just use your X-Acto knife to peel them away softly, gently. Don't hurry things up. Okay, when you get to the end, don't just take it off. Remember, there are two capacitive buttons here that are stuck to the screen. So just lift it up slowly. And here we see the capacitive buttons. After you've unglued these two capacitive buttons from the screen, just try and take it off as slowly as you can. Okay, so here's the brake. It wasn't a bad brake on this phone. And what you're left with is the screen with a lot of glue on here. It's pretty easy to take off this Loka glue using your fingers. Just work slowly, not too much pressure, just enough, and it will all come loose. After that, just wipe it clean with some alcohol. Just clean the rest with some alcohol. After you've done your best cleaning the screen, before you go any further, see if it still works. So put on your battery and turn it on, and check all your buttons to see if they work. Make sure your button is in place. And for the next step, we're going to want some double-sided tape. Put it on the edges of the device. make sure it's around the display so dust can't get in. Make sure it's well adhered. Okay, wipe it down one more time. Take off the last layer of your double-sided tape. Get your new screen ready and stick it on. Get your new screen. And stick it on real good. One last tip is to heat it up so it will make the double-sided tape stick better. Take your battery, stick it in, and there you have it, a brand new screen. Okay, I hope it helps.